Show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Toshiba LED TV. Grab your remote and click the home icon. Scroll down and select Settings. Go to Sound, scroll down, select Bluetooth and click OK. Enable Bluetooth. Put your Bluetooth headphones or device into pairing mode. Click OK when the device is enabled and wait for it to appear. Once the TV finds your headset, click OK and select Connect. You'll get a notification that the device is connected. If you found this helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.